Oh, hey, the one and only Dusty Bottoms, the founder of Kingdom Trucking Academy. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about one of the most important things in the workforce today, and that is safety. So let's get started. In all of my years of being in the construction and the trucking industry, there's one fundamental thing that you can't argue, and that is safety. Safety equals proper training, education, and maintenance of all of your equipment, all of your vehicles that you're going to be working around. Why? Well, because safety is what keeps everything operating efficiently. Safety, as I said, equals proper training, proper education, maintenance. All of these things are what's best for a business. What's best for a business, what's best for the employee, sometimes equal the same thing. Oh, hey, the one and only Dusty Bottoms, founder of Kingdom Trucking Academy and one of the top CDL instructors in the US. Are you thinking about getting a CDL? Stop overthinking and just do it. Give us a call today and get enrolled at Kingdom Trucking Academy. We offer a 3-week course, a 2-week course, and we are one of the only schools in the US that offers a 5-day CDL training course. Are you tired of feeling like a joke? You tired of being broke? Come get your life right and come learn to drive at Kingdom Trucking Academy. There's us, then there's everybody else. We have the best CDL training to offer, hands down. That's Kingdom Trucking Academy. Why? Now, some might argue, oh, the man's trying to hold us down, whatever. Well, this isn't the 1800s, and I'll get into that here in a second. What I'm trying to get at is you cannot make money if you're injured, if you're dead, if you're sick. All of these things, you can't make money. Well, the thing to prevent all of this is proper safety. And if you're not working because you're sick, you're dead, you're hurt, any one of those reasons, the company's not making money. As an employee, a company invests time into you, and that time equals profit for them. It's a win-win if everything is done correctly. In the beginning, companies were forced to realize this, but as time went on, they began implementing more safety procedures because companies saw the value in safety. If somebody gets hurt, any of those things, it's a loss of money, it's downtime. They are less efficient. Where did all this need for safety come from? Well, back in 1886, the American Federation of Labor was founded. The purpose of that union was for fair wages, better working conditions, and workers' rights. Well, better working conditions means safety. See, back then, there wasn't any regulations, there wasn't any safety rules. Owners just wanted profit. They didn't care if you lived or died. They wanted profit, profit, profit. And that is bananas. During the Industrial Revolution, things began to grow exponentially. Heck, back then they had kids working in the factories. Talk about unsafe. America has come a long ways. Unfortunately, where I get my Jordans, still have those conditions. So the unions came along and gave a voice to the employees that didn't have a voice. And that voice started to grow to where the businesses had to start to listen. Eventually, laws would come to pass after the Great Depression. One of these things was FDR's New Deal. In it were laws that made sure that employees were not prevented from organizing. In 1935, the Wagner Act came along and it allowed private sector employees to begin to organize. It also outlawed company unions, which is crazy because a company union is a union organized by the company that you have to contribute to. And the employees really don't have a voice because it's their own company that's overseeing it. Oh, hey, the one and only Dusty Bottoms, founder of Kingdom Trucking Academy and the creator of the Kingdom Driver Training Program. The Kingdom Driver Training Program is the curriculum we use at Kingdom Trucking Academy. We have maintained a 100% passing rate using the Kingdom Driver Training Program. The Kingdom Driver Training Program is a complete set of 9 comprehensive videos. You can purchase all 9 videos at kingdomtruckingacademy.com. Each video is designed for the requirements needed to pass your CDL exam. So follow me as I guide you through each stage of your CDL exam. You can purchase each video at kingdomtruckingacademy.com for $49.99 or the complete set for $299.99. That's a great price. These videos are some of the most comprehensive videos today on the market. Our curriculum is trademarked for a reason, because Kingdom Trucking Academy is the standard. Everyone else is just second place. So go to kingdomtruckingacademy.com to get your videos today. Roll on, truckers, roll on. And the reason I'm giving you a little bit of a history lesson is we all have to know where everything came from. That makes us better. That makes us not repeat things. OSHA was established in 1971 by President Nixon.
I'm not a crook.
This was called the Occupational Safety and Health Act. The D.O.T, Department of Transportation, they were established in 1966. And finally, the FMSCA was established in 2000 by the Motor Carrier Safety Improvement Act of 1999. All of these have had significant impact on safety and the workforce today. For some professions, safety has to be a conscious effort that we focus on above anything else. Not time, not money, not speed. Safety. I tell all of my students on the first day of class, 3 points of contact. This is one of the most important things in the trucking industry. There's a lot of other things that we can get into, but right now, getting in and out of the truck is the first step. 3 points of contact. Hand, foot. 2 feet, 1 hand, always going down. But you always have 3 points of contact. When I was overseeing the CDL training for Union Pacific and for BNSF, I was told that they required 4 points of contact. I think that's a little excessive and unsafe because it requires pressure on the knees and the ankles because you gotta essentially hop down. Not as safe, you can slide. 3 points of contact is in fact the safest way to do things. It has more control and allows for better fluidity. I have ate shit enough times throughout my career that I'm telling you, it's important. Don't rush, go slow. I have worked for companies that ignore proper training. They just want to rush. They assume you know more than you do, and they don't provide that proper training. Well, that proper training leads to ignorance. Well, proper training is education. And if your employees aren't educated, if they aren't equipped with all of the knowledge they need for that job, they are unsafe. Ignorance is not a good thing. That creates situations I've had throughout my life where I've been put in situations where I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to react because I had never been trained properly how to run that equipment, what to do, what it can or can't do, and I've almost died. This is gross negligence by that company. If you have a fatal accident and you're a small company, well, it's good night, Irene.
That's good night, Irene!
Your business is probably going out. Bigger companies, they can withstand that, but not by much. We have to be safe out there. And that means you too, truckers, because no matter who you are, you're gonna get tired. You're gonna get lackadaisical. You're gonna get complacent. Well, all these lead to accidents. Also, it's not just for you. There's bad drivers on the road. If you're tired, if you've had a long day, maybe you're back to the 1980s and you were pushing, going 24 hours straight, trying to make that last haul, that last run, trying to stack the money because, you know, feast or famine sometimes in the trucking industry. I understand this logic. These laws were put in place for our own good because no matter what you think, you are not the exception. You are the rule.
You're not at all. In fact, you're the rule.
We're never as good as we think we are. I know if you're like me, it's go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I'm always pushing, I'm always going. I'm just one of those people. But as I've gotten older, as I've learned things over the years, I realize instead of go, 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 it needs to be slow, slow, slow. Slow and steady is in fact better. It's faster, it's smoother. These are things that I learned even playing the guitar. I hated it. I wanted to just hurry up and jam out. as I started learning new things and growing, I realized, oh, if I do this slow a few dozen times, I start getting quicker. And as I get quicker, I'm still perfect. But when I try to rush through it right away, I'm sloppy and make mistakes. It doesn't get good. And I keep learning from that. It's a foundation that's not good. So learn it perfectly and then grow and build speed. Injuries, accidents, deaths, they aren't fun. I still train in jiu-jitsu. I do that 2-3 times a week. When I was 35, man, I could walk into the gym. I didn't have to stretch. I could do 5-10 rounds easy. Didn't get hurt, was fine. Now, if I do one round without stretching for 15 to 30 minutes, getting warmed up, man, I'm injured. When I get injured, I'm out for a couple weeks. Then I'm not learning, I'm not growing. So I have to take safety serious. I have to warm up, I have to stretch. It's not fun, I understand that, but it's there for a reason. When it comes to safety, you have 2 choices. Be safe or be unsafe. Listen to the do it now devil.
What do you need to be safe for? Just get the job done.
Or listen to the safety angel.
I am the safety angel. Do it right the first time, do it right every time. Slow, 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 that's the only way to go. What do you need to be safe for? Just get the job done. Don't listen to that nincompoop safety angel. Just go, go, go.
You have to ask yourself, WWDD.
What are you doing?
Well, Dusty would tell that devil to shut up, and he'd kick some butt with the safety angel. I hope everyone had a great year. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a like and subscribe. I'm Dusty Bottoms. Roll on, truckers, roll on.